So now we have the suet made. So we're going to take take our suet and just divide it up. Okay, so don't have to be perfect. All right, now comes the fun part. All right, so once your suet's in your molds, what you're going to want to do next take, I use press and seal, but whatever you want to, because it makes a good form on it. But just take your suet, take the press and seal, and push it down into the mold. And if it's too hot, you can put a towel or whatever down. It's not too warm because you didn't boil it. Alright, so just make sure it's fully in the pan, stuck together. No gaps, no holes. Wrap it. There you go. And then stick it in the freezer. And usually within a couple hours, or depending on where you put it in your freezer, usually it's ready no later than the next day. You just want it to get solid. But I usually store mine in the freezer too. I just leave them in there till I'm ready to feed the birds. Last one. And then we'll take them and just pop them over here. Stick them right there in the freezer. And then we'll let them sit.